Hi, I'm Sabdi CM Shamapte, and today I have what I forgot. There are times when I forget the simple things. I don't know why. Like, I have everything ready. I have prepared the topic. So I have affordable makeup, and I don't do too many makeup stuff because I frankly don't buy too many makeup products. But these are awesome, like affordable stuff that I have been really enjoying. So I think I left one thing over there that I have to fetch. Wait for a moment. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm being so clumsy today. So sorry. But I'm telling you, this is gonna be worth it. Like, okay, I forgot another thing. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. Thank you for staying. Are you there? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's start with this lip tint I'm wearing right now. Guess the price of this lip tint. Can you guess? 1, 2, 3. It's around 100 rupees. I even couldn't believe this is so affordable. Wait, let me show you this. These are the things. These are Blue Heavens lip tints, and these are so affordable. I think this is 250, but this is not 250. 250? I think I bought it for 100 rupees. Or I bought it for 200. I'm so sorry. I hyped it up a lot. I don't know why I thought it's 100 rupees, but even for 200, these are quite nice. This is 250, but you're gonna get discount for sure because they give discounts. So I bought each of this for 200. Sorry for that confusion, but these are nice. I'm wearing it right now. This shade. This one is Raspberry Love. This is a beautiful pink color. This is a sunset orange. A beautiful bright orange color. They have few other shades as well, like a brown, red, but I picked this too, and I am really impressed. These are long lasting, doesn't dry out my lips. I have a trick to share with you on how I apply this, but the only issue I have with this, these are very difficult to take off. Like, they don't come off that easily, and you need a lot of like cleansing milk and all to remove that stain. So yeah, that's there. Except that I think these are very good affordable lip tint options if you're looking for any, because Etude House ka lip tints, they're around 400. They start from 400, and frankly I think these are the cheapest lip tints I have used, and they worked really well for me. How I applied this, so what I do, I have this Revolution ka lip serum, so this also can plump the lips. Alright, so I apply this first. I keep this on for like 5 minutes, then I wipe off the excess product, and then I apply this lip stains or lip tints, and that way this work best for me. I love the this applicator. This is so big, so convenient to use. Also sometimes I use this with that Pilgrim's lip serum. And yeah, if you're looking for affordable lip tints, you can give this a try. Alright, then I have something really interesting. So I've been liking this graphic eyeliners a lot, and they look so cool. So I bought these things. This is from Swiss Beauty. Okay, these are like, I got it for 100 rupees. So I think I mixed up this lip tint with this eye pop. If you're into like colorful eyeliners or graphic liners, you would find these things to be really helpful. These are water resistant. The color payoff is really good. I like the applicator. It's very easy to apply, and they have I think 6 or 7 shades. I wanted to buy the green one as well, but that one was out of stock. So this is the blue one, this is the pink, and I also have another yellow one. I wished it were like more bright. It is a little bit muted, so I don't like this yellow shade that much, but I like the pink and blue color a lot. Also I want to buy the lavender and the green shade. So yeah, very nice stuff if you're looking for colorful eyeliners, and these don't come off easily. These are water resistant, they dry quite quickly. Overall, love this, and very affordable too. And then I have this mascara liquid eyeshadow. So this is not water resistant, I have to say that, but the pigmentation is so beautiful. It does come off easily, so you have to be very careful there. But I love the glitters that it has. The color is awesome. This is so affordable. The shade is Nebula. So if you're into holographic eyeshadows, liquid ones, then you can find this to be helpful. But the issue with this one is that this is not water resistant and it takes some time to dry, at least like 3 to 5 minutes, and before that if you touch it, it's gonna smudge like anything. Even after that it smudges, not that much, but yeah, just with a bit of water it's gonna come off. So yeah, that's there. But I do love it for the color and the affordability of this product. These days I'm liking lip glosses because they feel really nourishing, so I was looking for something clear when it comes to lip gloss, and something that is affordable and that doesn't feel too sticky or anything, because lip glosses sometimes they can be sticky, like very sticky. And this is from Bisac, something like that. There, all that glitters lip gloss, but it doesn't have glitter particles. Why did they keep the shade name all the glitters? I don't know. So it doesn't have any glitters in there, so I'm confused. But yeah, it feels very hydrating. It gives this glossy look. It has a slight purple tint, but it doesn't show up on my lips. So yeah, if you're looking for a good lip gloss, good affordable lip gloss, you can give this a try. I think this is a new brand. I've not tried anything from this brand before, and I tried this lip gloss. I liked it very much. So last thing, I have this thing from Swiss Beauty. Frankly, I got this for free because I bought this, so they gave this free. So this is the eyeshadow. The shade name is 13. This is so beautiful. You can apply this as highlighter if you're into like golden highlighters for like Diwali. Diwali is coming, so if you want that golden glow, you can try this eyeshadow. Yes, very good. I love this. I really love this. But again, this is not water resistant. I love this, you know, glowy look that it gives. See, it is very easy to apply, and I'm a makeup newbie, you know, I cannot do complicated makeup looks. I want something very simple things to work with, and this is really nice. Okay, and also I have these two lip liners from Inside Cosmetics. So I think I've spoken about this before, and you don't have to like spend a lot on lip liners. To be very honest, this works just fine. This come under 100 rupees. The shade 8 is pink, and the other shade is something, you know, pink meets red meets brown, kind of a very complicated color but beautiful color. So yeah, I think for like lip liners you don't need to spend much, and this works just fine. So yeah, that's all I have for this video, and I know it's been messy, so sorry for that. I'm gonna be more organized with this video. But yeah, I don't do makeup videos that often, so I was very excited to share these things with you, and I hope you like this. And also feel free to let me know about any makeup recommendations, and I'll see you very soon then. Bye bye.